All right, here we have another probability question. In this case, we're discussing Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. It's X-linked, and it usually only affects males. The victims of the disease become progressively weaker starting early in life. And we're going to assume that you're female, which is not what the typical case is, but you're female. If only your father's brother had the disease, what is the probability that you've received the allele? So you're female, so if I were going to draw a mini pedigree here you are. And here are your parents, your father and your mother. And we're going to say here that your father's brother had the disease. So that means they had an affected X. But your father was not affected. That must mean that your father has the normal or the typically functioning copy of the gene on the X that doesn't cause Duchenne's muscular dystrophy. So X plus. So what's the probability that you have received this allele? Well, it can only be passed down from your father's side, and he doesn't have the affected allele. Your father doesn't have muscular dystrophy. So the probability of him passing it on to you is 0, right? The answer to this is 0. If we were talking about your first cousin, on the other hand, your father's brother's children, then we'd have to work out that probability separately depending on if they were male or female. But for you, the probability would be 0.